there's a little bit of Dulcimer number 873. This is Purple Heart. This one is going to California, hopefully tomorrow. I've got a few little tweaks to do as far as the setup goes. But it's Purple Heart back and sides and headstock. The headstock is one of our 3-piece laminated headstocks. And I got some amazing Alaska Sitka spruce here a couple of months ago that I've been holding on to, and just beautiful, beautiful straight grain, gorgeous wood. So anyway, there it is, 873. 873 Purple Heart, gorgeous, and Alaska Sitka spruce with a Padauk fingerboard overlay. Right, number 873, New Traditions Dulcimers. Lord bless you guys.